Artichokes. First thing you want to look for is a quality artichoke. You're looking to make sure that it's nice and green and vibrant in color. You're not seeing any type of black or purple or any discolorization anywhere around the thistle part of the artichoke. As we start to prepare the artichoke, it's going to be about a 25% yield. That means there's going to be a lot of waste, a lot of trimming, and a lot of cutting. And we have to move very quickly when we do this. We need 3 items: a serrated edge knife, a spoon, and also a paring knife. We're going to measure down about 25%, a third of the way up, and we're going to cut that end off of the thistle here. As we look at this part here in the center, that's the choke. This other part around the outside that's white is what we're really searching for. That's the artichoke heart. And the outer area, that's the green part, is something we certainly can't eat. It's just too hard, too fibrous. So we use our serrated edge knife, and now we start to trim around the outside of the artichoke and removing those hard leaves. Now we're going to switch over to our paring knife, and we're going to trim down and work along the stem of the artichoke, because that there is a lot of vegetable that's inside. It provides a lot of good flavor. You want to make sure that all the green is removed. That's all that fibrous part that's on there. And we're going to come up to our heart. I'm going to give that a bit of a trim. Again, as I mentioned previously, right here, this is the thistle part. This part has to be spooned out. I'm going to take our spoon, and we're going to pull out this sort of white thistle part, that part that's going to choke you. Now, all this time we're cutting it, this is exposed to the air, and it's actually discoloring. If I can show you, if I can slip this away here, and as I cut it, you can see a distinct difference between the two, how white it is and how that is browned on this side over here. What I like to do at this point is to take a little lemon, squeeze it, and rub it on to the artichoke, and then I place it in the acidulated water. So I like to have a little paper towel or plastic wrap on top, because any artichoke that protrudes from the water, the acidulated water, it's going to begin to oxidize for us. Now that our artichokes are cut and trimmed and cleaned, they're ready to be cooked, we're going to put them into a very unique cooking solution. It's known as a blanc. Now, a blanc is quite simple to make. It's water with about a handful or two of flour mixed in, so it has a milky consistency, and we're going to squeeze some lemons into it. Again, this is also an acidulated environment. We're going to cook our artichokes until they're tender, which in most cases is anywhere between 7 and 10 minutes. Now we're going to check to see if our artichokes are ready. As we pull one out on a spoon, we're going to take our finger, we're going to press against it, and see if it feels tender on the outside. And if it is, at that point we're going to insert a knife like we are right now. And if it goes in and slides out without any resistance, the artichoke is cooked.